Okay, today I'm just going to make some refrigerator pickles. I've got some extra cucumbers sitting around. It's kind of a good way to get rid of those. I've already washed the cucumber, get rid of the ends. I'm going to use a fork, squirt it outside the cucumber. I think it gives it a neat look and breaks that skin up a little bit. I don't like the toughness of the outside skin of a cucumber. Okay. You see just all the way around. Gives it a neat look once it's done as well. We'll slice this up. We'll start with the liquids. It's 3 equal parts: apple cider vinegar, water, and sugar. So we're going to start with a cup of each. A cup of water. Of apple cider vinegar, and a cup of sugar. Now at this point you can add anything extra you want other than the cucumber. You could add mixed pickle spices, which is mustard seed, black peppercorn, coriander, dill seed. There's all kinds of stuff in there. You could just add cloves if you wanted. You could just add the peppercorns, whatever you wanted. I don't add those. All I add is onion. And it's no measured amount, just. And these are dried onions. It's easy to keep dried onions on hand. And once you have that in there, just slice your cucumber. I like them sliced fairly thin. You can see how the fork affects the cucumber. It just affects the look when you're done, and I think it breaks the texture of that outer skin up a little bit. And you add these to your liquid mix. Now if you want to make a bigger batch of these, you just more water, more sugar, more vinegar. You just want to be able to cover them like this. And that's it. Maybe give them a stir every once in a while, just make sure things are mixed up, but 24 hours is plenty to get them done, but probably it's 9 o'clock in the morning, probably by late this afternoon these will already be pretty decent to eat. There you go. quick refrigerator pickles, good way to get rid of some cucumbers. Now you could add those to a salad. I like them as a side dish when I barbecue ribs or smoke something. Or just take and eat out of the container as a snack. Kids like it when they get home from school. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.